Hello aspirants, welcome to Food Safety channel. Today in this video we will see about 10th Food Analyst Examination notification which is released by FSSAI on 30th July 2024. The examination 10th Food Analyst Examination will happen on 20th October 2024 which is a Sunday. Here the application will start from 19th August 2024 and last date for online application submission is 13th September 2024 and the last date for submitting the with examination fee is 18th September 2024. Here they give a note for the candidates who passed first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth junior analyst. If you have previously cleared junior analyst examination and you are waiting to give your final practical examination to become a FSSAI certified food analyst, for you separate a link for your practical examination application will tentatively commence from 15th November 2024. You don't have previously cleared FSSAI junior analyst exam aspirants. There is no need for you to clear once again write a food analyst examination. You can directly write a practical examination by applying through the link which is open for practical examination alone on 15th November 2024. This is a tentative schedule. Here you will get admit card on 4th October 2024. These are tentative schedule which is given by FSSAI and your examination date is 20th October 2024. For practical examination alone, the date of application open is 15th November 2024 and the last date for submission is for practical examination alone is 29th November 2024 and for practical examination admit card will available from 13th December 2024 and the practical examination date is 28th 29th December 2024 or 4th or 5th January 2025. Here the results may be announced during the 7th February 2025 and the certificate issued for qualified candidates will be on the first week of March 2025. And these are the general guidelines given for the candidates who are appearing in the 10th food analyst examination. And this is the criteria. For registration, you have to pay 320 rupees and for fine and the total examination fee is 1680 rupees. And you need to pay through online mode and there is no age limit for you to appear in the 10th food analyst examination. If for example, if someone from this above background and you have 3 years of experience in a food analysis lab, then you can write this 10th food analyst examination and clear the written examination and practical examination to get you certified as a FSSAI approved food analyst. And this is a topics and then the weightage given and how number of questions will come under this topic. Here food laws and standards and international food laws, the weightage is 20% and 40 questions will come. For this you have to refer FSSAI websites, FSSAI food regulations, food rules and acts If you need a regulation related quiz booklet, you can contact me. Um, I will provide you uh, uh, regulations in a MCQ format, the paid FSSA regulations quiz booklet. For that, you can contact me through the Telegram channel link I will mention in the description box. Next, planning, organization, and setting up of food analysis lab. The weightage is 10% and 20 questions will come. Principle of food preservation, processing, and packaging. Weightage is 5%. 10 questions will come. Principle and basics of human nutrition. The weightage is 5%. 10 questions will come. Food chemistry. The weightage is 20%. 40 questions will come. Food microbiology and hygiene. Also, weightage is 20%, 40 questions will come. Physical, chemical, and instrumental analysis, the weightage is 20% and 40 questions will come. So, totally, you have to attempt 200 questions. For clearing this exam, you need to secure at least 40% of mark. And here in FSSI, there will be negative marking. If you gave a wrong answer, you 1 mark will be reduced for each incorrect answers. So choose wisely your options. And FSSI junior analyst qualified candidates will be allowed to appear practical examination if you have 3 years of food analysis certificate. But this opportunity is a one-time opportunity. If you previously cleared FSSI junior analysis, you can directly go and write FSSI practical exam only once with that previously cleared. If you previously cleared FSSA food analyst exam, but you gave an attempt for practical exam once, and if you failed means I guess you have to write from again, like you need to clear written paper and practical combinedly for the second time. If you used your written FSSI junior analyst written paper, and after that 3 years of experience and one time practical examination where you failed means you have to again write the exam. And this is a detailed syllabus. Actually, for when I appeared for my food analyst examination, I used Sakuntala Mene, Fraser for food microbiology, PJ Fellows, and Norman Potter for food processing related stuff. And I also referred AOAC and FSSI is a lecture series, which is a dedicated lecture series which was available that time for food analyst examination preparing aspirants. That was useful. I don't know whether that lecture series is available now. So I request you to go through that. And if you want regulation quiz booklet, you can contact me through the description box. All the best for your examinations. Thank you.